This is a Touchstone Publishers presentation, your trusted source for leadership knowledge. Be patient with others. That's today's topic. Be patient with others. Did you know everything when you first got your job? Do you know everything now? Do you truly know what is going on with your teammate or your direct report? I want you to know this, that people will do the best they can based upon the resources that they have available to them now. Keep this in mind. It's their feelings and what they're thinking has a direct control over the resources they have available. In other words, they may know how to do something, but they may be paralyzed based upon fear. Or may be paralyzed based upon something that happened this morning at home or on the way to work. Those resources may fall away. In other words, if they need to feel safe, they may only have the resources that might be available to avoid conflict. If they need to feel safe, they're not going to really be able to take on that high visibility process, that high visibility project, because they may not be safe. Even though they may have the skills, the ability, that resource is not available to them because they're trying to feel safe. Be patient with others.
Thank you for watching this presentation from Touchstone Publishers. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when new episodes are published.